Okay, students, now next point we are going to see that the meaning of numbers having index in the rational form, that is m upon n. Now just see other numbers whose index is in the rational form. For example, here 8 raised to 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3 is a rational number, okay? So its index is in the rational form. So 8 raised to 2 upon 3. Now this 2 indicates the power. 2 indicates the power. It may be square, cube, or fourth power, fifth power, sixth power. And this denominator, it indicates the root. Here it's 3. 3 means cube root. If there is a 4, it's fourth root. If there is a 5, fifth root. If here 2 is there, it's the square root. Okay, so upside number denotes the power and downside number denotes the root. Now for example, 8 raised to 2 upon 3 means upside number means here square, so square of, and below number it represents the cube, that is 3 represents the cube, so square of cube root of 8. And in the reverse form, how we can write the same number, that is cube root of square of 8. In both the way, vice versa, we can write first starting with power, that is square of cube root of 8, or if we start from denominator, then cube root of square of 8. Now we'll take one more example here. Now here in the numerator 3 is there, so 3 means it is cube, and downside 2 is there means it's square root. So this is cube and this is square root. So first we will write cube of square root of 7, that is cube of square root of 7, and starting from here square root of cube of 7. Now I'll take one more example here. Now 4, we, if here 2 is there, we can say square. If 3 is there, we can say cube, that is if 2 is there square, 3 is there cube, 4 is there, then we will say fourth power, and below 3 is there, so it represents root means cube root, fourth power of cube root of 9. And starting with denominator, so 3 means it is cube root of fourth power of 9. Now next again, now upside number power, it denotes the power, and downside root. So here fifth power of, now here 4 is there, 4 means what we'll write, fourth root, fifth power of fourth root of 12, and starting with denominator fourth root of fifth power of 12. Now last one example, just here 25 raised to 6 upon 5, so sixth power of fifth root, 5 means it is fifth, fifth root of 25, and starting with the denominator, fifth root of sixth power of 25. So from all these examples, what we understand, the upside number, it denotes the power, and downside number, it denotes the root. If 2 is there, then it is a square. If 3 is there, it's a cube. And in the denominator, if 3 is there, it's a cube root, and if 2 is there, it is square root. Okay. Now we'll see the sixth example. Now this is in the verbal form they have given, and we have to write it in the index form. So square root of fourth power of 15. So first we'll write 15. Now square root means where it will come, root always it will come to the denominator. So it's a square root, and fourth power means 4 will come upside. Now the next example, fourth root of fifth power of 20. So first we'll write 20, just D. Fourth root means 4 will come in the denominator, and fifth power means 5 will come upside. Sixth root of eighth power of 32. So 32 I will write here. Sixth root means 6 will come in the denominator, and eighth power means 8 will come upside. Okay, so depending upon this, you have to solve practice number. Homework is practice set 3.2.